Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Mulvihill here. I hope you guys had a very nice weekend. Um, we got this week to go here, so we're going to try our best. We are going to do something new today. So what I want you guys to do is try this think about it question. Pause the video and resume it when you think you got the answer to this question. Okay, here. So we had these two students. Now Mary is awfully convincing that she showed the most progress. I mean, she can do more than Lucy because 51 is more than 20, and she also gained more. Mary can do 11 more, where Lucy can only do 10 more. So it would really seem like Mary made the most progress, but it's actually Lucy. And how come? Well, if you look at it, Lucy went from 10 to 20. She completely doubled her total, where Mary, she was not even close to doubling. She went to 51. If she doubled, she would have been at 80. She did not double her total. She only went up by 11. So she went up by more. She can do more, but she doesn't have what you call the greater percent change. Percents. They're such a great way to compare things. Who did better on a test? 3 out of 4 questions right, or 8 out of 10 questions right? Percents are so useful for comparisons, and they're going to be so useful helping us find percent change. So, how to do these percent change questions? There's a formula for percent change, and in particular, percent increase. And what you do is you take your new amount of whatever it might be. It might be push-ups, it might be sit-ups, it might be money. You subtract it from your original amount, and you divide it all by your original amount. It'll always be division by the original amount. So let's look at an example of how to do this. A Utica Comets hat costs $12 before tax and $12.98 after tax. What percent increase are you paying for tax? So if we use our formula here, we're going to do our new amount minus the original amount all over the original amount, and that will equal our percent increase. So the new amount is what happens, after something. So the new amount after tax is $12.98. So if we plug that into our formula, new amount is in red. So I'm going to do red. So $12.98 minus the original amount is in black, and that's $12 before anything. And then we're going to divide it by the original again. So $12.98 minus 12 is just $0.98. And then if you divide it by 12, you should get 0.08. And so now that's the increase. Now we just need to make it a percentage. So right now it's a decimal. To make that a percentage, you just do 0.08 times 100, and you get you get 8%. So that was the tax. All right? So that's how you do percent increase. And now percent decrease is actually very similar. What we're going to do this time, though, is we're going to do the original amount. So percent decrease equals original minus the new. So you kind of switch up the order here. Divided by the original. All right. So same idea. It's going to help us compare things. We're kind of working backwards here. So this says a pair of shorts originally cost $16, but is on sale for $12. What is the percent of discount? So here, this is the first time I've ever seen this question. We have the original amount, the sale amount, and we want to find the percent discount. We want to find the percent discount is a increase or decrease? It's a decrease. So this is the percent decrease. So we'll use our formula. We're going to take the original, which it says is 16, minus the new amount, which is 12, and we're going to divide that by the original. So we'll get 4 over 16, and if you divide that, you'll get 0.25, and that's just 25%. So it was a 25% off discount. There you go. All right. Try 3 and 4 on your own, and then if you get those right, you'll be good for the assignment. If not, pay careful attention to how I go over them. So pause the video and give them a shot, guys. Alright. So the Shrek DVD is regularly $12, but it's on sale for $10.20. What is the percent of discount? So we want to find the percent off that they're selling it for. It was 12, now it's $10.20. So what's the sale percentage off? What percent off is it? So we'll do, it's regularly 12, so we'll do 12 minus $10.20 over the original. So it's regularly 12. So we'll have 1.8 over 12, and you can go to your calculator, and you'll get 0.15. And that as a percent is 15%. So it's 15% off the Shrek DVD. Not bad. All right, last one here. At the beginning of summer, Steve can do 20 push-ups. By the end of summer, he can do 30 push-ups. What was his percent increase in push-ups over the summer? So now we're doing the percent increase. And if you remember, that's the new amount. Percent increase equals, here, I'll write it out. Percent increase equals new amount minus original, all over the original. So at the beginning, originally, first, he can do 20. So that's going to be our original. And then at the end, he can do 30. So the new amount is 30. So if you type that in, you'll get 10 over 20, which is just 0.5, and that's 50%. So he increased the amount of push-ups he can do. So Steve increased the amount of push-ups he can do by 50%. All right? So use your formulas to find percent increase and decrease. Again, it's a great way to compare, just like here with Mary and Lucy, who had more progress. Percent change is a great way to compare. All right, good luck, and please reach out to my email or Google Classroom if you need any help with this. Thank you. Bye-bye.